I'm gonna show you how I create something like a skeletal animation for my pixel art characters in Unity.
First, you'll need to create your character and separate each part of the body from one another. This will allow Unity to split them into usable parts when you change the sprite mode to multiple. Then, set the pivot points of each body part in the sprite editor to the point you want that part to rotate from. Next, you set the body of your character, placing each part of the body accordingly, just the way you want it to appear by using the sprite renderer sorting layers. Here's an example of what I mean. When you set the pivot point of the body part, make sure this is selected so you don't keep rotating the object from the center. Instead, you're able to rotate from the pivot you assign. In case you're going to be rotating any of your character body joints via a script, it's best to create a parent for that object as the joint or joint holder per se, like this, so it doesn't interfere with the script when the animation is running. Once you have set up your character, you can begin animating. Let's take a look at how to create an animation, a jump animation in this case. To simulate a character jumping off the floor, we'll start by animating the character's hand, moving it up as it signifies the start of the jump. I'll animate all of that first, ensuring that I don't animate the joint holder, as I mentioned. Then, I'll proceed to animate the leg movements and add some subtle movements to other body parts. For example, I'll animate the head to look up at the start of the jump and down while falling. I'll exclude the height adjustment for the jump animation since the actual jump height will be controlled through scripting. If you found this tutorial helpful or if it taught you something interesting, please leave a like on the video.